How to turn on location sharing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. It's pretty simple, quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Head over to settings and here go to privacy, then select location services, go to share my location, and here share my location, just enable share my location, and that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching this video, and if I helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. See you guys now in the next video. Take care.